This is our brand new, horrifically expensive white elephant of a streetscape project that no one really wanted. But, you know, they put in these trees despite a planning control saying single story so you can see the 360-degree ridge lines from this town, which is what makes it different. They put in trees that really grow tall and thin, so have very little shade. And really aren't the trees of this area, but they do nothing to fit the existing drainage and crumbling road surface. But now you've got all these little indentations that are going to make it really, really hard for you to actually get the machines in to do some of this work. Look at that! How you could spend money in the last 12 months here and not fix any of this is just a joke. Look. It's unsafe apart from anything else. And here we are in the next little section. As you can see, nearly as bad with the issues in the drainage and the road verge. But then you come up towards the intersection. Bad, 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 bad. And I do not condone someone chopping off the tree, but I probably understand why they've done it. They've probably done the wrong thing. You would have let it grow a bit more and then prune the lower branches off. Because when you're here, waiting to turn, it's already fairly bad visibility here. But that tree literally does, once it's grown, cut off the whole field of vision for about 100 metres of traffic. So I don't know how, seeing this is a Vic Roads road, that passed the Vic Roads 10-point safety check. And then we have this, spend God knows what money in a black ice area to put concrete in, and concrete here, yet they've still got all of the compacted crap from when Bellinzona was rebuilding 16 years ago. It was a big battle to stop all the illegal parking there too. And then you've got this debacle where they keep assuring me it meets DDA. They still haven't given me any actual measurements I have requested. But I don't know how you can actually demonstrate this easily on film. But it is actually a very, very steep area. And I know my mother, who has had knee replacements, can't actually do this stretch. So there's one DDA fail, but I'm sure its grade is not what it is meant to be.